We are on 6-11, solve systems of equations by substitution and elimination. So by the end of this video, the two objectives that you're going to know are how to solve a system of linear equations by substitution and by elimination. Okay, the substitution method is where we have these two linear equations. So we have y equals 4x, and then we have y equals 2x plus 36. Okay, so over here on the right in the orange, I typed up just a little phrase for you to remember the substitution method. So we're going to use one expression for y, and we're going to substitute it in for the other expression. So we have y equals 4x and y equals 2x plus 36. So I'm going to take this y and substitute it in for that y. So now we have 4x equals 2x plus 36. And now we're going to solve for x to see what our x value is. So I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. I'm going to combine my x values. So now I have, I have 2x equals 36. Sorry, it's a little sloppy. Okay, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides for x. So x equals a positive 18. Okay, so we found our x, so now we need to find our y. So you can replace or substitute in this x value to either one of the original equations. So I'm just going to put into that first one because it's pretty easy. So we're going to do y equals, come on girl, 4 times x, but x does equal 18, and 4 times 18 is going to give us 72. Okay, so x equals 18, and y equals 72, okay? We are solving for solutions to these systems of equations, okay? A solution to a system of equations in two variables, x and y in any ordered pair, that makes each equation in the system true, okay? All right, same thing here. We're using substitution. I'm going to plug in this bad boy, and for this value of, not x, oh my gosh, for this value of y. All right, so we have x over 2 equals x minus 4. Okay, solving for x here, so I need to multiply each side by a positive 2 to get rid of that 2. So I'm going to distribute this 2 over here. So we have x equals 2x minus 8. Okay, I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. 2x, I'm sorry. So now we have negative x equals a negative 8. Our x needs to be positive here. So we're going to divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. X equals 8 here. So again, plug this x value into either one of these equations. We're going to do y equals 8 for x, or I'm going to choose this second equation right here. Do 8 minus 4. Your y value equals a positive 4. So we have 8 and 4 is the solution to this system of equations. Okay. All right, now we're going to hop off to elimination method. This is when you have two linear equations in standard form, ax plus by equals c, and you can add or subtract the equations to eliminate a variable. All right, so right here we have 2x plus y equals 5, then 2x minus y equals 11. So if you take these two equations, oops, wrong one. Okay, you kind of set it up like a addition problem here. I'm going to add these two together. If I add these two together, 2x plus y equals 5, 2x minus y equals 11, I'm going to be able to eliminate this y right here. Okay, 2x plus 2x is going to give us 4x. A positive y and a negative y is going to eliminate our y. That's going to equal 5 plus 11 right here. It's going to be 16. Divide by 4 on both sides. And x is going to equal 4. Okay, then again, you just pick one of these bad boys to plug in your x value for and solve for y. So I'm going to pick this one up here. I'm going to do 2. Do this one up top. So 2 times 4 This isn't working. Why aren't you working? Oh, come on. There we go. 2, oh my gosh. Come on, girl. 2 times 4 plus y equals 5. Oh my gosh. So this is 8 plus y equals 5. I'm going to subtract 8 so I can isolate y. Y equals negative 3. Write our answer, parentheses, so 4, negative 3 is the solution to this system of equations. That's all you do. I know it looks kind of weird at first, like, how can I add two linear equations together? But once you practice it, it won't feel so weird. All right, same thing here. So, oopsie, let's do this right here. So we have 3x plus 2y equals 7, and then negative 3x plus 2y equals 1. So, I'm sure some of you are asking, when do I know if I add or subtract these equations? You just simply look at them, right here. So we have 3x and then a negative 3x. 2y and a positive 2y, and then a 7 and a 1. When you take a look at that, you're going to see that 3x and a negative 3x are going to cancel each other out. So you're going to add these two together. Okay? We have 2y plus 2a equals 4y. Oh my gosh, come on. That's going to equal 8. Divide by 4 on both sides. Y equals 2. Again, all we do is plug in. Now this time we obviously solve for y first, and that's totally fine. With elimination, it's just kind of whichever one cancels each other out first, and you'll solve for the other one. So I'm going to do 3x plus 2 times 2 for y. I'm substituting in 2 for y. Equals 7. So we have 3x plus 4 equals 7. I'm going to subtract 4. Then we have 3x equals 3. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. X equals 1. So the solution to this system is going to be, not that, it's going to be 1, 2. Okay? Once you get in the swing of this thing, it's really not that bad at all. Okay. Let's do this one again together. This is our last one for elimination. So we're trying to eliminate and solve this way. So we have x and a negative x. So immediately you know you're going to add these two together. Because these two are going to cancel each other out. We have a positive 1, a negative 1. X are going to cancel each other out. So then we have 4y plus 1y. That's going to give us 5y. This thing is not working today. Because there's the implied 1 in front of our y. Equals 10. Divided by 5. Divided by 5. Y equals 2. We're then going to substitute that 2 in for the y. We have x plus 4 times 2 equals 3. So we have x plus 8 equals 3. I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. It's an 8. It's hard to see. We have x equals negative 5. So in parentheses, we have, for x value, we have negative 5. For y is 2. That is the solution to this system of equations. Okay? So your answer should look like this, like an ordered pair, just like that. Okay? Alrighty, I want you to solve 9x plus 2y equals 10, then 7x plus 2y equals 6 using elimination. We will check those answers tomorrow in class. Then I also want you to do the try these numbers 1 through 7 in your textbook for homework. Okay? Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.